2022 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Get a fast and easy price quote today